Good afternoon, guys. Wanted to go over the chart for ticker symbol Ilus. One of the things that I'm starting to see develop is what looks like to me is a bullish pennant. Excuse me. What's a bullish pennant, you ask? The bullish pennant is essentially a continuation pattern of the previous, advance. You have your flagpole right here, and then you have what's forming as essentially a symmetrical triangle, a mini symmetrical triangle. And you have some reaction highs here, reaction lows here, and as I'm looking at it right now, it's converging, and it's making its way towards the center apex. Once it gets to the center apex, it normally most of the time it'll converge and then break this upper trend line right here, and that's what I'm hoping to see. And why what I think really supports that is that the cash flow in currently in the ticker right now. Look at this thing. That's a lot of money in there sitting tight. I imagine so after they closed that Serbia deal. So right now, I think a lot of shareholders are waiting for more news to come. But I definitely like what I'm seeing here. Uh, Things I don't like was the recent bear center crossover in the MACD and the PPO and the histogram going into negative territory. Accumulation is holding well. The tricks is holding pretty well. As I stated, money is in there. Money's holding pretty well. The MFI, the money flow index, is holding pretty well. The stock RSI is below 20, which is deemed oversold. The regular oscillator RSI is holding over 50, currently at 52. A couple of things that I don't like. In addition to the MACD and the PPO, these gaps right here. You got a gap at 0.73. You got a gap down here as well. These two gaps are, they're pretty small, but at the same time, I think that due diligence overpowers these with that Serbia deal, as stated before. So I'm going to be watching this one closely. I'm going to take a look, monitor it very closely as the week comes to an end and into the next week. But overall, I'm pretty bullish on it. I'll feel a lot more bullish if we break these two resistance levels here. What are they at? There's a resistance at let's see. These My annotations are kind of blocking it right now, but first resistance is at 0.099. Second resistance is at 0.105. So if we can get volume to break past these resistance, you're eventually going to break this upper trend line. And then once the upper trend line is confirmed, that's when the bullish pennant will be confirmed. So a lot to watch for, as far as the chart, a lot to watch for as far as updates goes. But overall, I feel pretty confident and bullish on it. So we'll see what happens in the coming days. That's all I have for you on this chart, guys. And as always, if you like this channel, please like and subscribe. And I will talk to you later.